Hello everyone, it's John with John's Trucks. Today we've got a really special, really nice 2006 Peterbilt 379 extended hood, 70-inch sleeper, 270-inch wheelbase, C15 cat, 18-speed transmission, 355 on the gear ratio, steerable pusher axle. This truck is special. It's got 47,000 miles on a documented engine overhaul and 73,000 miles on a documented transmission, Remaned transmission. This was a farmer-owned truck. Didn't do a lot of work with it, as you can see. Really took very, very good care of it. Everything is top notch. Two-line, two-way wet kit. All the hookups for tarps. He pulled detach. He had grain trailer, virgin tires. Always well maintained, always kept in the shed. Did a very nice job. Flex air ride suspension. Peterbilt aluminum wheels. Tires are all virgin tires. It does have the platinum interior. It's loaded. When this truck came out, it was spec'd with everything.